Hi guys, hope you guys are good today. Today I'm going to be sharing this yummy moment with you guys. And I'm going to be using black eye beans for this. And I'm using my food processor to peel the skin off my beans. And I'm using the plastic blade. Just put the beans in my food processor in small portions. Add water to it. Fix it in. On it for a few seconds. I pour it in my bowl. I'm going to repeat this till I finish everything. Then I'm going to recycle the water till the beans is clean. That is my beans. See that? So I'm not going to be using everything. I'm going to be storing some in my freezer. So I'm going to be blending onions with it, tomatoes and pepper, salt, 1 star cubes, and two eggs. And I'm also going to be using dry prawns for this and leaf. So that is it. So, and I'm also using sunflower oil. So now I'm going to start blending. And I'm going to be blending everything for easy mix to have a very good mix. Very easy way to make your meme. So that is it. I just poured in my salt and the other egg. This is the second batch I'm going to be blending. Add a little bit of nutmeg for that party moi moi aroma. And that is it. So now let's add a little bit of crayfish. Just mix everything with my blender. Now I'm going to pour in my dry prawns and I'm going to leave it in for 5 minutes to soak and give it that prawn aroma. Now I just added water to my pot, add 2 leaves, cover it up to boil. Now I'm going to wrap my moi moi. See, I used 2 leaves and I'm doing this the old school method. See, I just fold it and I wrap it. So that is it. So I'm going to repeat this till it's finished. So now I'm going to lay everything in my pot and I'm going to cook it till it's done. 30 to 40 minutes is ready. Now my mama is ready and cooled down a little bit. Now it's eating time. And I hope I make this momo as easy as possible for you guys. That is the purpose, to make African or Nigerian food easy as possible. So that is it. And I thank you guys for watching. And this mama came out so yummy. See you in my next video. Bye.